Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use water-resistant cement. First, understand that this specialized cement forms a strong, impermeable barrier, perfect for areas exposed to moisture, such as basements or outdoor foundations. Before you begin, thoroughly prepare your surface. It must be completely clean, dry, and free of any loose debris or existing damage. Also, gather all your tools, including a sturdy mixing bucket, a trowel, and essential safety equipment like gloves and eye protection. Now, let's talk about mixing and application. Always adhere strictly to the manufacturer's recommended water-to-cement ratio. This is crucial for optimal performance. Mix the components thoroughly in your bucket until you achieve a smooth, uniform paste without any lumps. Once mixed, apply the cement evenly using a trowel. Work in thin, firm layers, ensuring complete coverage across the entire surface, paying special attention to corners and any joints for maximum water resistance. Curing is a critical step for achieving maximum strength and water resistance. After application, keep the cement surface moist for a minimum of 3 to 7 days. You can achieve this by misting it with water or covering it with plastic sheeting. Protect the curing area from harsh elements like direct sun, strong winds, and freezing temperatures. For enhanced protection, consider applying a second, thinner coat once the first layer has properly cured, following the same application guidelines. To ensure lasting results, remember a few key tips. Avoid applying water-resistant cement in extreme temperatures. Very hot or very cold conditions can compromise its effectiveness. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask. Promptly address any small cracks or imperfections that may appear over time to maintain the barrier's integrity. Finally, regularly inspect the treated area for any signs of wear or damage, ensuring its continued performance for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.